Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Thursday, pressured by shares in tech, hardware and equipment, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, and consumer durables and apparel sectors. On the economic docket, initial jobless claims increasing to 257,000 in the week ended April 23rd. GDP annualized in the first quarter increasing quarter over quarter by 0.5%, while personal consumption in the first quarter improved by 1.9%. Decliners, meanwhile, well ahead of advancers, 80% of SP 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the market closed, Amazon.com reporting first quarter EPS of $1.07 versus an LPS of 12 cents last year, with net sales growing to $29.13 billion. LinkedIn publishing first quarter EPS of 74 cents versus 57 cents last year, with net revenues growing 35% year over year to $861 million. And Gilead Sciences announcing first quarter EPS of $3.03, with net revenues lowering to $7.79 billion. Asian markets, meanwhile, negative today. Japan's market closed for a national holiday, but the Hang Seng down 1.5%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.34%. European markets, they are in the red, and U.S. futures calling for a positive open. In terms of what to expect today out of the U.S., we have ExxonMobil first quarter EPS seen at 29 cents, Chevron first quarter LPS seen at 18 cents, and Phillips 66 first quarter EPS seen at 88 cents. On the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have personal income for March and personal spending, while at 9:45 we have Chicago PMI, and 10 a.m. sees the final University of Michigan consumer sentiment read. Now switching over to the markets, the SP 500, that's under pressure. The relative strength index below its neutrality area at 50%, and short positions below 2095 are favored, with targets at 2065 and 2059 in extension. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq seeing its key resistance 4442, preferring short positions below that figure, and the Dow Jones seeing the downside prevail, preferring short positions below 17,960.